Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shoe Collection. Welcome back once again in a new video about new and latest fashion trend. Friends, I hope you are all fine, fit, happy, doing well and enjoying good condition of health. Friends, first of all, please must subscribe my YouTube channel and must watch this video till the end. If you subscribe and watch this video till the end, I am very thankful to you for this kindness. So friends, today I gonna share with you some new designs of extremely high black wedge heel sandals. These kind of wedge heel sandals are beautiful in design and beautiful in color. Friends, I hope you like the whole collection of wedge heel sandals that I show you in this video. These kind of wedge heel sandals are for those ladies who wants to look pretty, charming, stunning, stylish, attractive and beautiful. For watching my YouTube videos regularly, you get more informative ideas about new and latest fashion trend. So if you can wear these kind of wedge heel sandals, you look so stunning and beautiful, and these kind of wedge heel sandals enhance your beauty and you look so pretty. So friends, if you like the whole collection of wedge heel sandals and wants to purchase these sandals, please see the link in description. So you can wear these kind of wedge heel sandals in your every occasion like party function, wedding function, office work and etc. These kind of wedge heel sandals are very comfortable and easy to wear. Friends, I again request to you, please must subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share this video's link to your friends and group fellows. I am very thankful to you for this kindness if you subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, thanks for watching this video till the end, and thanks for watching my YouTube videos regularly. Thanks.